Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. As in my earlier video, that was showing you that Litecoin broke down a triangle, and after that, the price had formed a double bottom and geared up. And this was my last video, not this one. This was the last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the formation of this double bottom, the price has pumped very well, and we have broken out this short-term resistance of $114.6. That was previously breaking as support here, and after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance, and after the breakout, it is again flipped into a support. You can see that we have tested the support here and geared up, and now the next long-term resistance will be here at $135. And after breaking out this resistance, there is a probability that soon we may hit this long-term resistance of $135. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $135 has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here and support here. And therefore now again it is breaking as a very strong resistance. Recently we got rejected here, and again the pricing can make another attempt to break out this resistance of $135. And in today's video we will once again analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And we will also take a look at my long-term trade signal for Litecoin that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. That is a very big and long-term harmonic bullish reversal setup that Litecoin has formed on the monthly time frame chart, and this move is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared in the previous month of November, on 5th of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that Litecoin formed on the daily time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying on and rallied beyond the sell target zone. So far it has rallied almost 116%. Now let's take a look at the long-term trade signal, and this move is still in play. This is a very big and long-term harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that Litecoin has completed on the monthly time frame chart. And you can see when I shared this trade signal, at that time Litecoin was moving at $62.80. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has pumped very well and moved up to $147 and slightly move above this potential reversal zone. And the sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish guarded pattern starts from $225 and goes to $348. Now let's take a look at the live chart. And first of all, let me show you the smaller time frame on the 2-hour time frame chart. And here you can see recently we broke down this support of the descending triangle, and I was telling you that target for the breakdown from this triangle will be here. That will be approximately at $116, and you can see that the price and drop more than that and form a double bottom here at this support. Approximately at $100, it formed this double bottom and geared up, and now recently we have broken out this short-term resistance of $114.63. That was previously breaking other resistance here. Support here and resistance here, and now again it is breaking as a support. And now the next upcoming resistance, that is by the way quite long-term resistance, is at $135. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here previously I have been showing you a breakout from a down channel and from an ascending triangle as well. And you can see that we have already hit the target for the breakout from this down channel and from this ascending triangle. And now if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from a very big and huge falling wedge pattern, that move is still there. You can see that on the 7-day time frame chart, we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.